The last type of measurement we'll discuss is permanent product, and this is measuring a behavior after it occurred. So we measure its effects on the environment. All previous procedures can be applied to permanent product measurement as well. Products can be natural or contrived. The best example of permanent product data collection is what most teachers do. So grading a report, grading a quiz, so a written response that can be data can be collected on it. So it has a long-lasting effect on the environment. It's a permanent product. It's there. It's visible following the behavior after it occurred. Another way of collecting a permanent product would be on like a coloring task. So if you think of like color by numbers, you could take a permanent product on how many of those numbers were correctly colored, things like that. Advantages to permanent product is the practitioner is free to do other tasks. So while the behavior is occurring, you don't need to take data in the moment. You can measure sometimes inaccessible behaviors. It can be more accurate, complete, and continuous. It's easier to collect IOA data and treatment integrity, and you can measure pretty complex behaviors through permanent products. It is not always appropriate to use permanent products, however, though, so determining appropriate use should be considered. Is real-time measurement needed? Do you need to make moment-to-moment decisions on that behavior? Can behavior be measured by permanent product? Meaning each occurrence must produce the same product, and the product can only be produced by a targeted behavior. Will a contrived product affect the behavior, so reactivity effects? And then the cost to obtain and measure the permanent product, availability, cost and effort to generate the product. So permanent products can be really useful, have a lot of advantages, but not always appropriate.